two-story bus. $600 head of beef cows, and we are herding them up and down some pasture next to a highway for water and grazing. Okay, so I've been out here since 7 this morning, rounding up a mob of 600 wieners. That's what they call smaller cattle, ready for butcher cattle here. These wieners on this quad bike. I'm standing on the back of a quad bike. That's what I'm using to herd it with. I rode a horse earlier, but it was too tall, and its gallop was rough, and its stride even rougher. But welcome to Australia. Love it. Okay, so I'm here at Garrison. What you see here is about 3,500 head of cattle. They have 5,000 at this feedlot in total. Some are out in pastures or in different areas, but I think this is about 3,500 head. So, anyways, so ik choppen nou. They hunt hier. Dit zijn 3,500 puisten. Die slagen nou, ieder jaar. Dan gaan die een ganzen 5.000. We zijn op ondersteden. En nog 5 tot 10.000 schoep. En een paar duizend kazen. En dan nog sterker 50 pied. En duil arbeiden. Groot met arbeidsdrang. Kleine Toyota diesel. Met voor de zijde snel krijgen. After the stier and alles in the rechte seat, man bereichen das rechte seat heavy for. Okay, well, I don't know how visible that is, but the other day we were chopping thistles for a couple Ks. We still have a ways to go. And anyways, I threw a lot of the thistles into the channel here, and now they are clogging up the channel, so it's raining and very windy outside. And I have to fish it out. Like to eat heavy for. Well, there's some massive burr or thistle plants moving their way towards the channels. There's a lot of clod, and I've got over a freaking kilometer of channel thistle running into the channel, and they're all clogging up the channel links now. That's going to be exciting. Kind of windy, but as you can see, there's big pins all over the place. There are approximately 6,000 sheep in here in these pins. Can't really see them all, but there's way back there 6,000. Last season shoot. What hier aan de movies aan. Wat hier in deze fire feedback dan afgooit. Maar het is niet zo fan te zijn. Bij zo'n last season shoot.